Scott here, and I'm about to drop some serious knowledge on incorporating authentic materials in your advanced language classes. Listen up, because this is going to be a game changer. First things first, let's talk about why authentic materials are so dang important. When you're teaching advanced learners, you got to keep it real. These students are ready to dive into the nitty gritty of the language, and there's no better way to do that than by exposing them to authentic content. We're talking real life text, audio, and video that native speakers actually consume. None of that watered down textbook nonsense. But here's the thing, you can't just throw any old authentic material at your students and expect them to run with it. Nah, you gotta be strategic about this. First, make sure the content is relevant to their interests and goals. If they're into business, hit them with some articles from top industry publications. If they're all about pop culture, bring in some juicy clips from their favorite TV shows or podcasts. Next up, you gotta scaffold the heck out of these materials. Give your students the tools they need to tackle the content head on. That means pre-teaching key vocabulary, providing background information, and breaking down complex structures. But don't hold their hand too much. The whole point is to challenge them and help them grow. Finally, make it interactive. Don't just have your students read or listen passively. Get them to engage with the content. Have them discuss the main ideas, debate opposing viewpoints, or even create their own authentic materials inspired by what they've learned. The more they actively engage with the language, the more they'll internalize it and make it their own. So there you have it, folks, my top tips for incorporating authentic materials in your advanced language classes. It's not always easy, but trust me, it's worth the effort, and your students will thank you for keeping it real and helping them make their language skills to the next level. Now, get out there and start hustling.